To apply for Affirm financing on Amazon, you must first check your eligibility by ensuring you are at least 18 years old, or 19 in some states, and have a valid U.S. phone number and social security number. Affirm availability may vary based on your Amazon account. Once you have confirmed your eligibility, go to the Amazon website, add items to your cart, and proceed to checkout. On the payment information page, scroll down and click on the current payment method. Then select the Pay Over Time with Affirm option, which will only be available if you are eligible. If you don't see this option, contact Amazon customer support to check your eligibility and enable it in your account. After selecting the Affirm option, click Use this payment method and enter your phone number to receive a verification code. Then provide required details such as your SSN and income. Affirm will perform a soft credit check, which won't affect your credit score. If approved, you can choose your preferred payment method, such as 3, 6, or 12 months. Once approved, confirm your loan terms and finish the order, making monthly payments directly to the Affirm app. Note that if Affirm is not available at checkout, try adding items sold directly by Amazon, as some third-party sellers may not support Affirm. By following these steps, you can apply for Affirm financing on Amazon.